Hey guys, welcome to Chainsaw Rescue. Today we are going to be making some cuts with this old Corites Echo 302. Such a cool little saw. If you guys saw the video shorts, we did a cold start, a little revving up video. I just put a little edge on the chain, put some fresh fuel and oil in it. We've got this pine we took down the other day, and I've just got some cleanup work to do, and I was thinking, you know what, bust this bad boy out and give it a go. While I'm making cuts, we'll kind of just go over a little history of the saw, when they were made, how many cc, all that kind of stuff for those of you that might not know. Really cool though to have this saw running. Now, I was going to clean it up and then do cutting, but man, then it gets dirty, right? So I think the plan is to just cut some small stuff here, use it a little bit, and then we'll bring it in the shop in another video and just kind of clean it up. It's such a neat little saw that I just wanted to, you know, share it with you guys. If this is your first time tuning in to Chainsaw Rescue, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We're trying to grow this channel. Right now we're just over 200 subscribers, and we've got that in about a month of this channel going. So you guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like chainsaw carving and seeing that kind of stuff as well, you can check out my other channel, KyleHallWoodworker, where we are trying to hit 30,000 subscribers on that channel before the end of this year, 2023. If we hit 30,000 on that other channel, KyleHallWoodworker, I'm going to give away a brand new steel MS-170 to one lucky winner. So check that out for me. All right, let's jump over here and start cutting some stuff. Now, this isn't really big, guys. I'm not looking to like work this saw a whole lot. I fired it up the other day a couple times. I fired it up today a couple times. Made a couple cuts today for the first time actually, and was like, I gotta make a video. This thing is cool. I love the way it sounds. Stuff will be cutting about 4 or 5 inches. It's nothing crazy, okay? And yeah, I'm not looking to kill the saw or overwork it, but just put it to use. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video, and let's make some sawdust. Alright guys, so the Echo 302 was first introduced in 1971 and they discontinued it in 1983. This is a 30.1cc engine. It is two-stroke. It weighs about 9.9 pounds. I believe it's got quarter pitch chain, 50 gauge. Pretty decent little saw. The fuel gas ratio mix, what it says in their manual, is supposed to be 20-1. It is, what's it got? Cylinder types, aluminum with chrome plated bore. I don't know, just a few history things on this little saw for you guys. If you're enjoying the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. There it is, guys, the Echo 302. I don't think this thing hasn't done any real cutting in about 10 years. So, not that this is real cutting. I mean, we're just cutting some yellow pine here, but it's pretty fun. I love the way this thing sounds. So let me know what you guys think about this little saw. Next video this saw is in, we are just going to give it a bath, clean it up. It's running like a top. I haven't touched that carburetor. I haven't done anything. When the neighbors gave it to me, they said it wasn't running, and honestly I think they were just under a nice gesture were giving me this really cool saw because they know I chainsaw carve, and you know, I really appreciate it because I think this thing is absolutely awesome. So to get it running, all it took was a little bit of starting fluid. The first time to get it running, it wouldn't pop over, so remove that, put a little starting fluid in it, choked it, and it popped right over. And then from there it's been starting with choke. So pretty darn cool. Really do appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Chainsaw Rescue. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys thought of this video and this chainsaw, and hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss any future uploads, and hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you later.